Hello and welcome to the video tutorials channel of Fusion 360. In this playlist we are going to talk about all these construction plan, and in this video we are going to discuss about tangent plan. In our previous video we have already discussed these two plans, so this time we are going to discuss about tangent plan. So what the tangent plan is, I can't create a plan at 10 plan tangent plan right here now because I have no sketch right here. So I'm going to create a small sketch so that I can create tangent plane on a circular cylindrical surface. Tangent plane by its name is clear that we can create plane at only the circular surfaces only. So for example, if I create and extrude this up, I'm going to select this circular surface. We can't create plane on this surface by using tangent plane. We can't select this. We can only select this. For example, if I select this and if I rotate this, I can move anywhere. In most of the cases, for example, on creating glasses cups, we need some support here. So that's how, by selecting this plane, you can create these glasses supports here, and you can also use this on creating a cone here. For example, if I need to create one cone here, extrude it up, and okay, now I need to create construction plan on this tangent surface. I can create on this. See how can I create this tangent plane on. So tangent plane means you can create a plane on any tangent surfaces which has these two ends. So make sure that you have added this playlist to your YouTube account library, and also hit the subscribe button to get the latest update about this Fusion 360 channel. Hope you like this video, and thanks for watching.